Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a vanilla chiffon cake. I'm going to start by showing you my flour, my sugar, water, egg white, my egg yolk, sugar again, oil, salt, baking powder. These are the ingredients I'll be using for the purpose of this video. I'm going to start by sieving my baking powder, and I'm going to pour my salt directly because it's salt and it's going to dissolve. I have to sieve my baking powder because I don't want lumps of baking powder in my cake because it would taste. So I'm going to mix all of them together and start my mixing process proper. I'm just going to pour in my egg yolk, my oil, water and sugar into the mixture and mix them thoroughly. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that immediately. I really appreciate it. After mixing thoroughly, it would look something like this, a thick runny consistency. Now I'm going to pour my egg white into my mixing bowl. Then I'm going to mix with my balloon whisk on medium speed. When it starts foaming, I'm going to add in my vinegar because I don't have cream of tartar. Vinegar will do a very great job. Next up, I'm going to pour in my sugar gradually, not at once, because if you just dump it in, it would make the foam to fall. So this is what the stiff peak should look like. When you turn it upside down, it doesn't fall. Now I'm going to start folding in my meringue into my batter. A meringue is just the egg and sugar mixture beaten into a stiff peak. So I'm just going to fold in my meringue into my batter. You can see how stiff my meringue is. I don't want any form of failure, so I always make it very stiff. I'm going to mix until there's no meringue. So this is the last batch of the meringue. So I'm going to put it in at once, then fold it until it becomes smooth. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. This is my flavor. I'm just going to mix it into the batter. Now it's ready. So simple, easy to make, and very fast. I've lined my pan with parchment paper by the side and on the floor of the pan. I'm just going to tap it and pop it into the oven for it to bake. And this is the end result. This is what it looks like. so yummy, so fluffy. This cake is so fluffy. The camera isn't doing so much justice to it, but however, it is. When it's in the oven, it's so smooth at the top, but when it comes out, the top part of the cake kind of ruffles a little bit. It comes down and makes like a ruffle. Don't worry about that. When you want to use the cake, just cut off the dome. But this cake is fluffy. I'm going to divide it and show you the inside. Then I'm going to divide one of the cakes I just divided into 4 parts and show you. This is what it looks like. When you press it down, it comes back up. That's what a chiffon cake should look like. So yummy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day and keep spreading the love. Bye bye for now.